Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Salwanee, student from Kuliah Language and Management. So today I'm here at the market, Pattani, Thailand, to bring you Thai culture here. At here you can find many kind of food, and this is near to the Prince Songkhla University where many students find dinner. So let's see what I found here. This is the local Pattani food. I think it's dessert, I guess. Yeah. Mostly Pattani people will eat this during Ramadan. I think this is interesting that I can buy this September. Yeah, that's why I bought it. I bought this. The smell is so good. It made from egg, coconut milk. Yeah. That's the most thing you can see just now. I smell pandan from far away. Without a doubt, I straight forward to the Akok shop. Akok is a famous traditional dessert in the three southern border provinces of Thailand. According to old people, the word Akok may be distorted from the word Ake, which means raise up, possibly referring to the production process of akok, where the fire placed on top of it must be lowered down once akok is well cooked. The main ingredient of akok made from flour, eggs, sugar, coconut milk, and pandan. The texture of akok is fluffy, sweet, and delish. The second thing is that we call this thong muon sot. Thong muon, an ancient dessert from central part of Thailand that many Thai people are probably familiar with crispy one. It is a round sheet rolled in a circle, look like a large straw. The texture is crispy and sweet. People often put it on their finger and bite into the crispy and enjoy it. However, many people still don't know that there is another type of thong muon called thong muon sot, which I bought today. It looks completely opposite to the crispy thong muon. The dough will be soft, sweet, and got soft coconut meat inside, which gives chewy texture. There are many flavors of thong muon sot sold on the market, such as pandan with the green one, taro with the purple one, black sesame, mung bean, and purple sweet potato. Can you see the coconut? I mean, the real coconut inside. Yeah. I know it's rude like to smell, but it smells so good. Smell coconut? Yes. And the last thing is Pad Thai, the most popular Thai food among foreigners. Yes, this is the most favorite Thai dish of people around the world. It is a representative dish in Thailand. As a Thai, and I've eaten Pad Thai in many places, I would say Pad Thai on street tastes a lot better. Pad Thai is dark noodle cooked with soy sauce, sugar, and tamarind juice. It is soft noodle stir-fried with three flavors. It tastes sour at first, then it's salty, and then it tastes sweet at the end. When they say Pad Thai, Pad is stir-fry as she's doing now. Thai means Thailand, so it definitely means stir-frying Thailand or stir-fry in Thai style. It's intentionally made as a national dish. The beginning of Pad Thai was during World War II. Pitmun Songkram, as a prime minister at that time, he made a recipe to encourage consuming national ingredients. He also encouraged selling it on street as a national dish. And now, Pad Thai is the first thing cross our mind when we think of Thailand. Do you? Not only that, many people know Pad Thai even if they don't know Thai food. It's become national Thai food, I would say. I asked Machi to put chili aside because I don't like spicy. Well, actually, there is a distinct feature in Thai red pepper powder. It tastes spicy, then the spiciness quickly disappears. Even so, I don't like it. And before you eat, you have to squeeze the lime, like I do on the video. Then mix together. Once it mixed well, you can enjoy it. So now it's time for me to quickly finish all my food. See you again next time, inshallah. Assalamualaikum.